boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have a great song here from LIBIANCA featuring AYRA, STARR and OMAH. It's called People. So we're working here with bar chords 3, and we have one strumming pattern that goes through the entire song. We love that scenario. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one. Okay, so we're going clean, just bar chords. So we will look at the bar chords here. We'll start with the F sharp. Okay, so that's a bar here on the 2nd fret of all strings, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on A as well, and 3rd on G. So that's F sharp. And then we have the A sharp minor, and that's a bar now on the 6th fret of all strings, and then the rest will be 8 on A and 8 on D. A sharp, and then we have the G sharp. So that's a bar chord now on the 4th fret with your bar over all strings, and then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. Alright, so the chord progression goes F sharp, A sharp, and G sharp. And this G sharp is twice as long as the other chords. So let's take a look at the strumming. We'll start with the F sharp chord here. So it goes like this. That's one round. So it starts with down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. And then you have a short break after the down, and then you just add down, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. And then you have a break after the final clap. And then comes the next strumming round. So in a context, it sounds like this. If we speed it up a little bit to the standard tempo, it's something like this. Alright, so we have the F sharp 1 strumming round, then you go to the A sharp minor 1 strumming round, and finally the G sharp 2 strumming rounds. So let's go through a couple of chord progression rounds of that. Alright, so she's been drinking a lot lately. Did you check on her? Yeah, that's from the lyrics. But yeah, check her out. LIBIANCA, AYRA, STARR, OMAH, People. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps me out here. And yeah, play tuned.